Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ClickFunnels payment updates for commissions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the ClickFunnels login page. Enter your credentials and sign in to your ClickFunnels account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the Affiliate tab to access the Affiliate dashboard. In the Affiliate dashboard, you will see a summary of your earnings. Look for the section labeled Commissions to find detailed information. Click on the Commissions section to view a breakdown of your earnings. Find the payments you need to verify from the list provided. Check the status of each commission to confirm if it has been processed. Make note of any pending payments that have not yet been finalized. To verify payment updates, navigate to the Payment History section. Here, you will see a chronological list of all payment transactions. Locate the specific payments you're interested in reviewing. Click on the payment details to open up more information. Review the transaction date, amount, and payment method provided. If necessary, download or print this information for your records. Return to the main commissions section to verify any additional earnings. Double-check for any discrepancies in your commission totals. If you spot any issues, consider contacting ClickFunnels support for assistance. Follow through with any inquiries to ensure you receive the correct commissions. Once all verifications are complete, log out of your ClickFunnels account. This concludes the process of verifying ClickFunnels payment updates for commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.